Hello everyone, I welcome you all to my YouTube channel Computer and Mobile Phone Technology. In this video, you will learn some more commands of Logo like FD, BK, RT, LT, HT, ST, CS and CT. So, FD command stands for forward and it is used to move turtle forward. BK command stands for backward and it is used to move a turtle back. RT command stands for right turn and it is used to turn a turtle towards right. LT command stands for left turn and it is used to turn a turtle towards left. ST command stands for hide turtle and it is used to hide a turtle. ST command stands for show turtle and it is used to show turtle again. CS command stands for clear screen and it is used to clear your drawing. CT command stands for clear text and it is used to clear all the commands in commander window. So let's start learning these commands. So here I am going to draw a victory stand. So the first command which I am going to use is FD. After writing FD command, I will give single space and then the number of steps. Here I am using 40 because I want to move a turtle in forward direction 40 steps. Then after writing 40, I will press enter key. You can see turtle is moved in forward direction 40 steps. Then I will turn it towards right. So I will use here RT command and at 90 degree I want to turn it. So I will give 90 value and then I will press enter key. Okay, then again FD 40, press enter. Now I want to turn it towards left, so I will give LT command and 90 degree angle. Then again FD 40, RT 90, FD 40, RT 90. See here, I did not give space, that's why it is showing error. Is RT90 is not a logo procedure. So it is very important that you should give a single space between a command and this value. Okay, otherwise it will show error. And again FD40, LT 90, FD 40, RT 90, FD 40, then again RT 90, and the distance from here to here is 120 because this is 40 steps and again this one is 40 steps and this one, so total is 120. So I will give here FD 120. So a victory stand is drawn. Now I want to move turtle towards back, so I will use here BK command and then 120. See, turtle move back 120 steps. Then I will give right turn command to turn a turtle in opposite direction. So I will give here 180-degree angle. To turn a turtle in opposite direction, we have to give angle 180-degree. Then again FD 40. Again I want to move it back, so I will use BK command, and because the distance from here to here is 160, because this is 120 and plus 40 is 160, so I will give 160. Then again I will turn it to 180-degree and I will use here FD 40 again. So you can see this victory stand is formed. Then I want to hide this turtle. So to hide turtle, I will use here HT command. Then I will give enter. After HT command, no need to give any value, just write HT and press enter key. See, now turtle is disappear from the screen. If you want to show turtle again, then you have to give HT command and press enter key. See, turtle is appeared again on the screen. Then if you want to clear this drawing, use CS command, because CS command is used to clear screen. Then press enter key. See, drawing is clear. Then if you want to clear these commands, then use CT command and press enter key. See, commands are also clear and this drawing also clear. So practice these commands and try to draw some pictures using these commands. Thank you for watching this video.